Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi everyone, my name is Karabo Molebatsi, the owner and founder of Centered by Karabo. Centered by Karabo was started or established in 2021 December, and it's currently based in Centurion and Vanderbijl Park. I started my business because I saw a gap by turning my passion into revenue. I started by learning how to make the products myself, and then once I acquired the skill, I decided to turn it into a revenue. Currently in my range, I offer reed diffusers, scented candles, wax melts, linen and room mists, and also car perfumes. My products are currently available through courier services nationwide. My products are made out of soy wax, which is a renewable, biodegradable natural resource. Some of the benefits is that it offers a clean burn, which means you can use it around kids in the home, and it actually burns slower, so it's more value for money. How you can reach Centered by Karabo is currently through social media platforms. On Instagram, it's at Centered by Karabo. On TikTok, it's also at Centered by Karabo. The WhatsApp number is also on the bio. Hi, my name is Karabo, and I'm a township entrepreneur.